Welcome, this is Mr. Mahoney for Business Math Announcements, Unit 7, the final unit of Business Math. Congratulations, you made it this far, from January 2nd through the 19th, 2012. Starting on the 2nd, which is a Monday when you get back, I'd like you to start the discussion, Unit 7, and read topics 1 and 2 about life and health insurance. On the 3rd of January, I'd like you to continue that discussion on the discussion board and read Unit 7, Lesson 1, topics 3 and 4 about property and auto insurance. Also, I'd like you to do the review quiz that's inside the class. On January 4th, 2012, I'd like you to finish up the discussion, which is due at midnight on the discussion boards, and read Unit 7, Lesson 2, topics 1 and 2, bonds and stocks. Thursday and Friday of this week, January 5th, 2012, Thursday, I'd like you to read Unit 7, Lesson 2, Topic 3, Retirement, and then do the corresponding review quiz inside the content. There's going to be a 3:30 Class Connect session over Unit 7. January 6, 2012, I'd like you to do the Managing Money discussion question, and that's going to be due in the Dropbox at 5 p.m. Tutor time is going to be held 4 to 5 p.m. in the OLS system. Here is it in graphical form, which corresponds to the calendar that we have in the classroom. Week 2, the 9th through the 13th, January 9th, 2012, review for the quiz and catch-up day. Again, I'd like you to review for the quiz on January 10th. January 11th, we're going to do Unit 7 Quiz Part 1. This is the computer-graded part, the multiple choice. You're going to start and finish it on Wednesday the 11th. On Thursday the 12th, you're going to do the extension, the scanned-in part. This is Unit 7 Quiz Part 2. There's going to be no Class Connect. Starting on the 13th, your final is going to be Managing Money Project. This is going to be opening up on the 13th, and once this is completed, then you have finished the course. But I recommend that you spend some good time on this. This is going to be graded. This is a pretty big chunk of your grade, as are all the projects. So when it opens up, I'd suggest starting it right away and continuing on to the following, not just getting it done and over with. There's going to be a tutor time at 4 to 5 p.m. and a late deadline of 5 p.m. on that Friday. You can see the whole graphical form here on the screen. As far as finals go, there is no final. Your final, I guess, is the final project, which is the Managing Money Project. This is due the 19th at midnight. There's no exceptions. Grades will be reported 8 a.m. the next morning on the 20th, if not earlier. This is why I cannot give out any exceptions to the midnight rule. It will be open from the 13th until the 19th, so you will have 7 days, 6 to 7 days to complete it, depending on when you start it. So it should be sufficient time. Good luck in second semester, and I hope you guys can stay in touch, and hopefully I can see most of you back in personal finance.